Hey there, investors. Looking for a smart way to grow your money? Let's talk about the Adams Diversified Equity Fund, or ADX for short. ADX is a mutual fund. That means it pools money from lots of investors like you. Then, it invests that money in a bunch of different stocks. Think of it like a big basket of stocks, all chosen to help your money grow over time. ADX's main goal is to make your money grow faster than the stock market as a whole. Sounds good so far, right? Let's dive into the details. Now you might be wondering, what stocks does ADX actually invest in? Good question. ADX believes in diversification. That means it doesn't put all its eggs in one basket. Instead, it spreads your money across different types of stocks. We're talking big companies, small companies, companies in all sorts of industries. This helps reduce risk because if one area of the market isn't doing well, another one might be booming. But it's not just about picking random stocks. ADX has a team of expert managers who actively research and choose the best companies to invest in. They're always looking for opportunities to make your money grow. Okay, so diversification and active management sound great, but how has ADX actually performed? Well, I'm here to tell you, ADX has a pretty impressive track record. Over the years, it has consistently delivered strong returns for its investors. Of course, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it's a good sign. And here's a bonus. ADX also pays dividends. That means you get regular payments just for holding onto your shares. It's like getting paid for being a savvy investor. Sweet. Section 4. Understanding expenses. The ADX Expense Ratio. Now let's talk about something called the expense ratio. Every mutual fund has one, and it's important to understand. Basically, the expense ratio is a small fee you pay each year to cover the costs of running the fund. Think of it like a management fee. For ADX, the expense ratio is pretty low, which is good news for you. Why does this matter? Because even small fees can eat into your returns over time. So, the lower the expense ratio, the more of your money stays in your pocket. Section 5. Advantages of ADX. Why choose this fund? By now you're probably starting to see why so many investors are bullish on ADX. Let's recap some of the key advantages. Diversification. ADX spreads your risk across many different stocks, so you're not relying on just one or two companies to do well. Active management. A team of experts is constantly working to find the best investment opportunities for the fund. Strong performance. ADX has a history of delivering solid returns for its investors. Dividend payments. You get regular payouts just for holding onto your shares. Low expense ratio. You keep more of your returns because the management fees are reasonable. Sounds pretty good, right? But before you rush out and invest your life savings, let's talk about some risks to consider. Section 6. Risks to consider. Market volatility and other factors. Investing always comes with some level of risk, and ADX is no exception. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Market fluctuations. The stock market goes up and down, and that means the value of your ADX shares will fluctuate too. Fund pricing. The price of ADX shares is determined by the value of the stocks it holds, so if those stocks decline, so will your investment. Management fees. While the expense ratio is low, those fees can still impact your overall returns over the long term. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. Don't panic if the market takes a dip. Stay focused on your goals, and ADX can help you reach them. Section 7. Conclusion. Is ADX right for you? So, there you have it, folks. The Adams Diversified Equity Fund, a solid investment option for those looking for growth and diversification. It's got a lot going for it, a smart strategy, a history of strong performance, and a team of experts managing your money. But like any investment, it's essential to understand both the advantages and the risks. If you're looking for a way to participate in the stock market without putting all your eggs in one basket, ADX might just be the ticket. Remember to do your research, consider your risk tolerance, and consult with a financial advisor to see if ADX is the right fit for you.